Good morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today's video is about this Defender 110 that's been coming to Kaiser Cruiser for a while for different things. I've posted some videos about it in the past and people have asked me what kind of a setup does it have, how is it built, etc. So I thought I'd make a short video and talk about it. So this vehicle belongs to a very close and dear friend of mine, and everything you see on it has been handpicked and selected by him. So, starting from the body kit, the lighting, the wheels, side steps, the panoramic glass, the suspension, everything. So this vehicle is already built when I started working on it, in the sense that the bodywork and the engine transplant and the transmission and all that kind of stuff has already been done. When I started working on it, the interior and some of the outside, some of the exterior stuff like the panoramic glass and those kind of things had to be redone or changed. So I took it from there, and it also needed some mechanical and electrical fine-tuning which was done at Kaiser Cruiser. And if you ask me, at the moment this is probably the finest Defender, customized Defender 110 built in Pakistan. I don't think there's a better one out there at the moment, because my friend has spent a lot of money on it, and he's been very careful in picking and choosing what he wants to do with the vehicle, which is why it's turned out the way it has. Now, the only thing that's Defender about it is the shell. The engine is out of a Toyota, the gearbox is out of a Toyota, the steering system is out of a Toyota, and of course, the differential, the axles are still a Land Rover Defender's axles. The axles are still Land Rover Defender, but essentially everything else is gone. In terms of the drivetrain. The drivetrain is a Toyota drivetrain. And if you go inside the interior, where I did most of the work. So this used to have the old Defender dashboard. Brighten it up a little bit. Yeah. This used to have the old Defender dashboard. This is a Puma dashboard. Just custom built by a company in the UK. So you can see all the leather work and this was all pre-done and shipped out. And so you get the shell. We got the shell from a company in the UK, and then we customized it to our requirements. The gauge clusters, again, I put several videos on these gauge clusters. These are all gauges by Speed Hut. So these were connected to the existing setup in the car, and they're all working. And of course, the steering wheel is Momo. The seats, originally that we put Land Cruiser seats in front and changed those for these bucket seats, which give a much nicer ride, and you feel a lot more snug sitting inside them. The rear seats are actually also Land Cruiser seats. They're two individual seats put together, so they give a nice ride in the back. What else? I mean, there's a lot to talk about this car, but the best thing about it is the way it drives. It's quick. It doesn't give any problems. Well, it had a few problems in the sense that when I started working on it, the throttle was acting up. There was a problem with the throttle position sensor and the ECU wiring, which had to be fixed, and the throttle body had to be replaced. And then minor stuff like belts and pulleys and those kind of things. Other than that, it's in good shape and it doesn't give any problems, because it doesn't have a Land Rover setup. It doesn't have the mechanics of a... It doesn't give any problems because there's nothing Land Rover in there anymore. This is a 2UZ from a Land Cruiser. and which came with its original automatic transmission. So the whole setup is Toyota. And then we also changed the air conditioning system in this. So this is a company again from the UK called Ministry of Defender, and they make a very nice complete air conditioning system for the Defenders. It's primarily made for Defenders which have the Puma dashboard. So what they take is they take all the plumbing and the blower and everything, and they bring it out into this box over here, and you just slot this in. It connects to your existing compressor or the even supply compressor with this, and the piping and everything, dryer bottle piping, all that shit, all that stuff. So you take that, plug this in, and then of course you have to do the ducting inside to make sure it it fits into, connects with all of these vents and all these things. But it works very well with the existing Defender knobs and switches for controlling the AC. Of course, that's all from out of a Land Cruiser. This has been retrofitted in here, and we did a bit of carbon fiber to blend it in nicely. Other than that, I was telling you about the panoramic glass. This was installed by me. It gives a nice modern touch to it in the back. So yeah, that's it. I mean, just wanted to share a little bit about this vehicle, and I'm going to start it, and then let's take it for a spin. One of the things I did at Kaiser Cruiser was build a custom made exhaust for this car, so you can hear the sound now. Let's take it for a spin. See how it drives. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that short video about this amazing Defender, and let me know if you want me to make more videos about some of the other projects that we've done. I keep posting some stuff, but if there's anyone in particular that you want to see, like FJ40s or the Mercedes, then do let me know and I'll try and make some more videos and post them. And I would appreciate it if you can like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.